Not bad, not bad.
There's that standard flippers vinyl.
I actually was excited about the floor.
Oh, okay. You have new tile. Again, just kind of like sloppy. So everything that we're seeing so far is mostly cosmetic.
Old cabinets, bad tile installation, sloppy paint work.
We would give you fresh cabinets.
I
if it
would
looks
hope
like
so.
Those
I mean,
are the
like
original.
you can see like the grime that they just kind of painted over. So, yeah, bathroom. Yeah, some issues.
Uh-oh, Keith gas.
Why did you gas, Keith?
There's a lot of plumbing that's unfinished.
Terry, don't worry.
Keith, I'm just saying. Evan, what are we concerned?
It's
are
just
we nervous?
unfinished plumbing, it looks like.
Okay.
Okay, smaller. Yeah, pretty small.
Goodness.
Not the biggest space, but it does have a nice closet space.
I know, I like this.
So should we go and look in the basement? Because I'm still trying to figure
I
out.
don't
why.
see like why it's like technically half off.
So no furnace, no water heater.
No
Water
water heater. It
Yeah.
stinks.
This post is good. Wait a minute, this post is not good.
Oh, not good.
So this is actually a structural issue. So everything that we saw before was just cosmetic fixes.
We're done. That's it.
You ready to go?
Ready to go. That's got to be $20,000 right there. I don't trust anybody else more than my wife, than Keith and Evan.
So you trust Keith and Evan equally as much as you trust me?
No, after you.
Oh, after me,
I
then
trust
Keith and Evan.
And actually, if I had to go in order, I would say you, and then Evan, and then Keith. I love Keith. I love Keith. But Evan is the one that's gonna let me know whether or not this house is going
It is
to
gonna be, that's
sturdy.
true.
So
My advice to you is to see if you can get some money off. And then if it does come off, then I would say it's worth doing. If Shay can get this house for $45,000 purchase price, we should be able to renovate it for $25,000, which will give them a healthy profit margin and still be able to sell it at an affordable price for a first-time buyer. I would say go for it, but get it down to 45.
Only
though.
if I can get it
Yeah.
for 45. I can make it happen.
oh my God. Oh my God. Hercules, Hercules. That is awesome.
It is so
I thought it was cute before. This is
I
like
love it
over
so
the top.
Oh, I love it so much. Oh my God, I hope I don't pass out.
I'm glad y'all like it.
Shay and Terry purchased the house for $45,000. The original reno budget was $25,000, but with the plumbing issues in the basement, we actually ended up spending about $30,000 on the reno. But the comp support a listing price of $95,000, which gives them a pretty healthy profit margin.
All right, I cannot wait for y'all to see this. Y'all ready?
Oh my God, I am way too excited. Oh,
Oh my, is that, oh my God.
oh my God,
This is, oh my goodness.
it's me! Look, it's me! I can't believe y'all did this!
That is you.
I mean, my eyes, my little eyebrows, everything, my hand. Look at my hands. That's my hand.
This is fantastic.
Look at this,
This
Terry.
thing right here.
Oh my God. I don't even know. Look, hold on. Lord have mercy. I'm
This is-
serious.
this
Let
is
me
rich.
take a deep breath.
It's pretty obvious Shay and Terry love the house. Lots of big reactions everywhere, which is always fun. Well, I will say you
I
were...
really just love it so much. I'm so happy. I'm sorry.
No, it's good. Don't apologize.
I'm
That's
so
Doesn't
fine.
apologize about like this
I'm
is.
glad you like it. It was really fun.
Why is the basin gold?
This is, I've
That
never seen anything like this
is
in my
So
life.
coming to America over the top.
What did
This
you?
is
Oh
awesome.
my goodness! Look at this.
To have your own mural in the shower? Who does that? Oh, Keith and Evan do. That's who does it.
So that's like a déjeuner style wallpaper in France, and it was like, that's what it's supposed to channel.
This is like a blinged out spa.
Check out another bedroom.
Guest bedroom.
Like, this room seems so small.
Oh my
did seem-
goodness.
It was tiny. There's just so much room for
There
activities.
is. And then
This
the
is
rug
awesome.
also helps it to feel larger. And I love that it ties in the greens.
Terry was right. Buyers loved the house, and a few weeks later, it was under contract for $1,000 over asking price.
So this house is 2-bedroom, 1 bath, 690 square feet.
Okay.
So it's a little smaller, but we got it for $4,000.
Oh, not bad.
This house is a little small, and the backyard is a total jungle, but the market in Detroit has picked up a lot, and it's getting pretty hard to find $1,000 houses, so $4,000 is actually a pretty good deal.
Oh my Lord. Oh my God. I swear, one day, this is not gonna happen.
In a room this small, you really have to be efficient. So I'm thinking cabinets on 2 walls and corner uppers to add more storage without overcrowding the space. Even though it's modest, I want to give it a real wow moment. So I'm imagining taking the tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling. So the trash heap in here is definitely not very calm right now, but the wallpaper in here is inspiring me to make this the Zen house. Soothing warm tones, sleek simple tile, and natural wood accents on the walls throughout. It should feel very understated, elegant, and serene. It would be really fun to have some like little bonsai trees and
Okay.
yeah, it could be
calming
fun.
and nice.
And then obviously we have a lot of water damage to fix. So this whole ceiling's coming out. Obviously I'm gonna keep the couches, so.
Obviously.
Obviously they're leather and vintage, so.
Oh, chandelier. Okay.
I know, right? This
Fancy.
is actually, oh, it's plastic. So we bought this house for $4,000, and if we can keep our reno budget to around $45,000 and sell it for around $85,000, then we should be able to pull out a pretty nice profit. The margins aren't great, but we've already done 3 houses on this block, and I am absolutely determined to finish what we started. So the Zen house is finally done. I will say it definitely gave us about a fit. It was not super fun to get through this, but the end I am really happy with. I really like this house a lot.
This house was one of the worst we've ever done. There was piles of trash inside, the backyard was a jungle. It took 20 dumpsters to clean up the house and the yard. That plus the crumbling walls, the carpenter ants, we ended up way over budget. We bought the house for $4,000. We budgeted $45,000 for the renovation costs, but ended up spending $60,000. We're listing it for $85,000, which means we'll clear a little over $20,000, but the price is pretty ambitious in this neighborhood, so we'll have to see if we can actually get it. The process was not very zen to get to this point, but I think the final result is actually very zen, and I think we pulled off the look.
Come on in.
Wow. I love it. I love it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh my God, this is beautiful. I can see myself in here already. Oh my gosh. Oh, and this?
Yes, Keith hand painted
Wow.
that.
I
art.
love his painting.
He just outdoes himself
Every
here.
time.
Every
Yeah.
time.
Oh, this is beautiful. Yes. When do I move in, guys? Yes, look at these cabinets.
All
Oh,
new
yeah. Oh,
cabinets.
Lord Jesus, but that's beautiful. Oh, yes. Oh, I love this. Oh, my goodness.
I
Yeah,
love
this
this
is
thing.
beautiful.
And you notice it matches the wood in the living room.
The
Does.
zen-ness.
I'm not a cook, but I learned to cook just to cook on this.
Oh, I already like the floor. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, I'm loving this though. Put a stick on the wall and it's gonna look amazing.
I think I'm gonna take my clothes off and take me a shower right now. I think I am.
So this is the main bedroom. It's the largest of the two.
Wow.
It's pretty big.
Oh wow, this is spacious.
This
Oh, wow.
is nice. Oh, and this is
Yes,
nice.
that is a Keith original.
Okay. See a lot of
It's a lot of bushes.
bushes, yeah.
There is a house behind these.
Oh, good, good.
Soffits look good. The siding actually looks pretty good.
Not too shabby, right?
Yeah.
So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, about 1,000 square feet.
Okay.
It's currently listed at $35,000,
Okay.
but it's been on the market for a little while, so you know how I do.
Yeah, I would definitely trim off.
Exactly.
From that,
Because
for
it
sure.
does need some love.
Okay.
So you ready to navigate through the jungle?
Yeah.
Okay, you may want to go like sideways.
We've seen much worse jungles
I
than
have
this.
seen some jungle. This is pretty thick growth, though.
It's not so bad, but
They
this porch,
smell really good.
right?
Oh, wow, this is nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
I see why it was listed for 35.
Wow, this is vastly different than what we're used to. I like this a lot already. You can actually see what the house looks like inside, which is very different from what we're used to. Normally there's lots and lots of trash and junk everywhere and walls falling down. Oh, it's so little.
It is really small. How would you lay this out?
Why do you always put me on the spot like
You
that?
can take 5 seconds to think about it
Thank you,
because you
Shay.
just walked into this
Thank you.
kitchen.
You're so reasonable.
Okay, now what would you do with the kitchen?
It is gonna be a trick actually to figure out where everything's gonna go without it feeling overly crowded.
So there's 2 bedrooms. You can fit a full-size bed in here technically,
Yeah.
right?
Technically.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4,
You're gonna fail the
5,
sobriety test.
6, 7. Well, yeah, it will be
It's
kind of
tight.
tight.
Yeah.
Bathroom's nasty.
I like it. I mean, it's not necessarily big, but it could be
Big
cute.
enough.
So here's bedroom number 2, which is maybe the same size. It feels slightly larger, but it could be because of the window. How much do you think it would take to bring this place back to life?
I think by the time we get done with it, we're gonna hit 50.
What are the comps like here?
So the comps are coming in at about $100 per square foot.
So right around 99 then? Would be
Yeah,
the sale price?
yeah.
I mean, we can't pay 35 for it.
I'll definitely shoot for 25. Like I said, it's been on the market for a while. Who wouldn't take 25
Yeah.
at this point? So
I think the big key on the design for such a small house is to make sure that we kind of keep it minimal to not overcrowd the spaces. So
And on the budget to keep it
minimalist
short,
on the
so, like,
budget,
yeah.
minimalist on the design.
Yeah.
we'll just call this one the minimalist
The
house.
minimalist
I like
house.
We bought this house for $25,000 and we went just over the rental budget at $52 grand. And we're listing it at $99,900.
Hello.
Come on in.
Hey.
Welcome.
Hi, welcome to the open house. Come on in. Welcome, welcome. Wow. Ooh.
Wow.
I love this.
Feels like a dream. Feels like a dream.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
This is
It's
Keith's
amazing.
minimal house.
Okay. It's like warm and inviting still, like even though it's minimal. I love it. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
This is
wow.
beautiful.
I like the dining room. I like it a lot. It's real spacious.
I just got to have you for my own original.
Oh, it is so pretty, right? Look at this.
Made such good use of the space.
Yes. Oh, it's so pretty.
This bathroom
Wait,
is
look, you
like,
gotta-
whoa.
Hey!
Love how you keep the gold theme going throughout the house as well, too. I love the gold.
This flooring is nice
It's
too.
a mixture of marble and slate.
Okay. Yeah, that's a beautiful choice.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is so nice.
This
right?
is so comfortable.